Hello, my name's Andrew Bosia and I'm at the 2019 Bike Shed Show, and I'm exhibiting my Ducati Monster 750 Cafe Racer on Shed Row. Basically, I picked this bike up as a really cheap donor bike, paid £350 for it, and I basically wanted to build a Ducati Cafe Racer on a budget. Basically working from the front end, standard Ducati Monster front wheel. I've gone for the aftermarket wavy front discs. They run Brembo calipers as standard, which is a lovely choice. The front forks were shot, so I went for a set off a Ducati Monster 695. Slightly shorter in the stance, so drops the front end down nicely. The headlight is basically what you a lot of the time you'll see on a Range Rover or the Land Rovers. Basically tapped, threaded it, and then made it fit to the standard headlight bracket. The yokes aren't the standard Ducati Monster, they're off Ducati Super Sport 750 model. I've gone for the Coso speedometer, and I've gone for push button switch gear, which is basically a CNC switch gear, which is basically off eBay. No ignition, I've gone for standard switch ignition, on off, and I'll tilt the underboard here. The hide all nice electrics up on the front. I've just made two little close off panels either side, just alley, dimple dyed them. Left all the aluminium bell on the bike because I just want to give it that sort of raw cafe racer finish like you had on the old styles. Moving on to the tank, that's the 916 tank. Basically, when I brought it, again, eBay job, massive dent in the back of it, managed to knock the dent out, cleaned it off, paint stripped it, skimmed it, and then that basically got me my lines to work with the rest of the bike, which basically takes you to the back end. Obviously, I've cut back end off completely from here and here. Took quite a few hours on that one. Basically, I had to angle the tubes up to give it that raked out stance, and even from the back end, I've had to angle them back in. Once I tacked it all into place, measured it countless amount of times, I managed to get it tacked exactly where I wanted it to be, and then I had a friend of mine weld it up, so I knew the welds were nice, good and safe. Seat unit I made from scratch, made the plug, the mould, and then built it out standard polyester composite. Quite like using composite material, I find it easy to work with, and again it's going back to the old retro sort of style of cafe racers, fairings. All of it was done in standard polyester resin. Seat unit, I had a friend back at home make it for me. It's basically nice leather, diamond stitched. He was a sail maker by trade, but now he's knocking out loads of seats for mine, personal builds, and got a few builds for people on that. Engine, again, was quite a mess. Obviously the bike was a cheap bike, it was cheap for a reason. Paint flaking off everywhere, so basically I had to take it all right down, strip it down, cylinders off, and I basically just repainted the whole lot. Standard headers on the exhaust, and then I've gone for link pipes and end cans. Basically, again, good old eBay, stainless steel, and from the States. YSS rear shock, again, old one was shot, and then again standard rear wheel. Gone for the aluminium sprocket nuts, wire locked them, just to give it again that sort of racy sort of look and vibe. So yeah, that means pretty much it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Bike Shed YouTube channel, posting 2 videos a week. Thank you.